Hey, my name's Andrew Bond. I just wanted to give a quick testimonial video to Brent Bowers and the Land Sharks program. I started selling land March, so about 9 months ago, and I made 3 deals super quick. But then it stopped for about 4 months, and so I decided to join Brent Bowers' course. I've been in the course for about 3 months now, and I've closed probably about 6 deals since I've been in his course. So it's really accelerated my business. Just being around people who are like-minded and doing the same things as me has helped a lot. It's like a big mastermind. And Brent is just the nicest coach and nicest genuine, guy that I've ever met. So he's super helpful. His modules are clear to the point. Um, and yeah, I mean, there, it's a pretty turnkey system. If you just, do what he says and ask people for help in the group, it's hard to fail. So yeah, it's a great course. Highly recommend it. Thanks, Brent.